Liber 777 and the key scale. In the previous video, I gave you an overview of Liber 777. Now it is time for more details, so you can enrich and deepen your knowledge of the tarot. Liber 777 is probably one of the earliest databases to be constructed. When you ask Google a question or type in a keyword, you are accessing a vast database. For a database to work, it needs a key or index. Liber 777 is exactly the same. The first column of Liber 777 is 1 key scale. This column appears on every table without a title. Understanding and decoding the key scale is critical to understanding this book. Liber 777 originates from the Sepher Yetsirah, which lists attributions of the Sephirot and the Hebrew letters. Column 2 gives that information in Hebrew and in English in column 3. Starting from 1 to 10, we have the Sephirot from Keter to Malkut, and from 11 to 32, we have the Hebrew alphabet from Aleph to Tau. In the Sepher Yetsirah, the alphabet is divided into 3 groups: mother letters for the 3 elements, single letters for the 12 signs of the zodiac, and double letters for the 7 planets. The key scale gives us visual clues to this. The mother letters are offset to the left, the 7 double letters are in the centre, and the 12 single letters are set to the right. There are some limitations with these 32 attributions, so extra rows are included to accommodate the Kabbalistic tree of life. At the top we have 0, spread over 3 lines, but often it is seen as 1 line. And there is no letter for Earth, so Tau doubles up as 32 bis. There is also no letter for Spirit, so Shin also doubles up as 31 bis. For tarot readers, column 14, General Attribution of the Tarot, is very useful. 1 to 10 gives us the 40 minor arcana as we would expect, as does 11 to 32 for the major arcana. Look closer, and we also see the court cards associated with the Sephirot. 2 has kings or knights, 3 has the queens, 6 has the princes or emperors, and 10 has the princesses. But the court cards also appear with the major arcana, but in a different order to correspond to the elements. 11 has the princes, 23 has the queens, 31 has the kings or knights, 32 bis has the princesses or empresses. These of course relate to the mother letters and Earth. Note that all 22 trumps relate to spirit, and there is something strange about the order of the major arcana. Strength and justice have been transposed. The reason is that you can't mess around with the order of the alphabet. That is fixed. But you can change the order of the major arcana, even though they are directly related to the Hebrew alphabet. Aleister Crowley transposed the Emperor with the star. In the Book of Thoth, Crowley includes a table of the major arcana with the alphabetical attributions. He includes the key scale on the right. Notice how the key scale is no longer in order, but you can use these numbers to cross-reference back to Liber 777. Now you have enough information to Liber 777 attributions.